What is the most important information I should know about Centrum Kids? Never take more than the recommended dose of multivitamins and minerals. Avoid taking more than one vitamin and mineral product at the same time, unless your doctor tells you to. Taking similar products together can result in a vitamin overdose or serious side effects. Minerals taken in large doses can cause side effects such as tooth staining, increased urination, stomach bleeding, and even heart rate, confusion, and muscle weakness or limb feeling. Read the label of any vitamin and mineral product you take to make sure you are aware of what it contains. Seek emergency medical attention if you think you have used too much of this medicine. An overdose vitamins A, D, E, or K can cause serious or life-threatening side effects if taken in large doses. Certain minerals may also cause serious overdose symptoms if you take too much. Overdose symptoms may include stomach pain, vomiting, diarrhea, constipation, loss of appetite, hair loss, peeling skin, tingling feeling, changes in menstrual periods, weight loss, severe headache, muscle or joint pain, severe back pain, blood in your urine, pale skin, and easy bruising or bleeding. Do not take this medication with milk, other dairy products, calcium supplements, or antacid that contain calcium. Calcium may take it harder for your body to absorb certain ingredients of the multivitamin.